Best pizza oven for small business. Running a small pizza business isn't just about good recipes. It's about speed, consistency, and quality. A great pizza oven can make all the difference, helping you bake perfect crusts, melt cheese evenly, and serve customers faster. Whether you run a food truck, cafe, or small restaurant, the right oven can save you time and help you deliver professional quality pizzas every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best pizza oven for small business. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Solo Stove Pi Prime Pizza Oven Outdoor Gas Pizza Oven Propane. If you're looking for an outdoor pizza oven that's easy to use and delivers restaurant-quality results, the Solo Stove Pi Prime is a real winner. This model runs on propane, so you get instant ignition and steady heat control. No charcoal mess, no waiting. It heats up fast and holds a strong, even temperature. That's important when you're serving multiple pizzas in a row. The demi-dome design creates an ideal airflow, which helps your pizza cook evenly from all sides. The result? Crispy crust, bubbling cheese, and that perfect balance between soft and crunchy. The cordiorite stone inside absorbs heat beautifully, ensuring a real wood-fired texture without the heavy setup. It's also portable and lightweight, which makes it perfect for food trucks, pop-up stalls, or catering gigs. And the stainless steel construction means it's built to last. Verdict: the Solo Stove Pi Prime is perfect for small pizzerias, mobile food businesses, or outdoor vendors who need a portable yet professional oven. If you value quick heating, easy control, and authentic results, this one should be high on your list. Number 2. Gourmia Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer Toaster 1800W. Running a small food business often means space is limited, and that's exactly where the Gourmia Indoor Pizza Oven shines. It's not just a pizza oven, it's a multi-cooker that works as an air fryer and toaster too. So you're saving counter space while expanding your menu options. This 1800W oven packs serious power. It heats up quickly and gives you consistent cooking every time. The built-in pizza stone helps you get that crispy base that customers love. Whether you're making classic margarita or thick crust loaded pizza, this oven handles it well. The digital controls are easy to use, even when you're busy. With 6 preset cooking options, you can jump between pizza, bake, roast, and air fry modes with just a tap. That makes it great for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. It's built from stainless steel, so it looks clean and professional in any kitchen. The viewing window lets you keep an eye on the pizza without losing heat. Verdict: the Gourmia Indoor Pizza Oven is best for small kitchens or startup food businesses. If you want one appliance that can handle pizza, fries, and toasts without taking up too much space, this is a smart and practical pick. It's affordable, efficient, and easy to use every day. Number 3. Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven CPZ 120. Cuisinart's CPZ 120 brings professional quality pizza baking right to your countertop. This model can reach up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can cook pizzas in minutes. That's perfect for small restaurants or cafes that need to keep up with quick orders. It's compact but surprisingly powerful. The stainless steel build makes it durable and easy to clean, which is key in a busy kitchen. The 12-inch cooking surface gives you plenty of room for personal or medium-sized pizzas. One of the best parts is its precise temperature control. You can fine-tune the heat depending on your recipe, whether it's thin crust, deep dish, or even flatbread. The heat retention is impressive, so every pizza comes out evenly baked with a crisp bottom and soft top. You don't need a big, fancy setup to get great results. Plug it in, preheat, and you're ready to go. The front window lets you watch your pizza cook to perfection without losing heat. Another thing worth noting is the consistency. Verdict: the Cuisinart CPZ 120 is perfect for cafes, bakeries, or home-based pizza ventures. If you want a compact, reliable, and easy-to-clean pizza oven that gives consistent results and pro-level control, this model won't let you down. Number 4. CROSSON Commercial Countertop Electric Pizza Oven. If your pizza shop handles a steady flow of customers, the CROSSON Commercial Pizza Oven can handle the pressure. It's ETL listed, so it's certified for commercial use, safe, durable, and built for performance. This electric oven can bake 16-inch pizzas, making it great for larger orders. With a 120-volt 1900W heating system, it gets hot fast and stays hot, allowing for back-to-back baking without delay. It comes with a pizza stone that helps create that authentic brick oven-style crust. What sets it apart is its dual heating system. You can control the top and bottom elements separately, so you can crisp the base without over-melting the cheese or get that extra browning on top if needed. The stainless steel body can handle heavy daily use, and it's easy to wipe down between shifts. The control knobs are straightforward, no complicated settings or menus. Because it's a countertop oven, it doesn't take up too much space. Verdict: the CROSSON Commercial Pizza Oven is a solid pick for small restaurant owners or food trucks that serve pizza all day. If you need power, control, and reliability without a massive footprint, this oven gives you everything you need to deliver consistent, crispy, and crowd-pleasing pizzas. Number 5. VEVOR Electric Double-Deck Pizza Oven. For businesses that need serious capacity, the VEVOR Double-Deck Pizza Oven is built to handle high demand. With 2 separate cooking decks, you can bake multiple pizzas at once, perfect for rush hours or catering events. This oven reaches up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can achieve that authentic pizzeria-style texture fast. The independent temperature controls on each deck let you cook different types of pizza at the same time. For example, one thin-crust margarita on top and a deep-dish meat lovers on the bottom. The built-in thermometer is a nice touch. You can monitor the heat without opening the doors. The stainless steel construction keeps it durable, and the handles stay cool for safety. Despite being commercial grade, it's easy to operate. The controls are simple, the heating is consistent, and the results are excellent. It's a favorite among growing pizza shops that need more capacity without upgrading to a full brick oven. Cleaning is simple thanks to the removable trays and accessible design. Verdict: the VEVOR Double-Deck Pizza Oven is best for small businesses ready to scale up. If you're getting more orders and need to bake multiple pizzas quickly, this oven offers the space, speed, and control to handle that growth with ease. Which pizza oven should you buy? If you're mobile or run a food truck, go for the Solo Stove Pi Prime, fast, portable, and reliable. For small kitchens or multi-use setups, Gourmia's indoor pizza oven gives you the best versatility. If precision and consistency matter most, pick the Cuisinart CPZ12. Running a small restaurant, the CROSSON is a dependable, commercial-grade option. And if you're growing fast, the VEVOR Double Deck gives you the capacity to meet higher demand.